Hiya! How you doing? Have you done something fun yet? Well, let's do something fun together. Like opening the next Sophie and Toffee box. Sophie and Toffee box. Yeah, these all came together. These are on the top. I haven't opened the actual box yet, but just from these molds, I know what we're getting. It's the calendar box! Yay! That's the first mold. Sorry, there's going to be quite a bit of crinkling in this, because I'm not doing a voiceover for this one. I'm doing talking as we open it. So there's all the numbers, and you've got, I like this, you've got some spare squares to put in whatever you want to put in. You know, birthdays, holidays, that kind of thing. And here is the calendar mold. Sorry, trying to do it without too much of the crinkle. Hang on. There we go. And there's the calendar mold. So it'll be that way around. That's looking good. Yeah, and it's not too big. I was worried it was going to be massive, but it's not too big. It's all right, actually. Right, let's have a look at what's in the actual box. Gorgeous box as usual. I'm starting to quite like these yellow ones. Don't know if they're going to do them in different colours, but I quite like these ones. Here we go, nicely wrapped. And the calendar box. We're going to have a look at this in a minute. Okay, what have we got? We have got 1-to-1 resin. We've got 150, so that's 300 grams. Oh, that's pretty good. We have got some gorgeous glitter by the looks. Ooh, really pretty. Yeah, I don't think is it mica? No, it's definitely glitter. Really fine stuff, I love that. We've got some, I can't really tell, I think they're alphabets actually. Yeah, they are, they're different letters, so I'm not going to take them out because there's some that's escaped, so we'll sort that out later. Looks like they're all going to be jumbled, but that's no problem. Sit and have a bit of fun working that out. What else have we got? Oh, we've got some inclusions. Oh, these look like fun holiday type ones, so that'll be good. We've got some dried flowers. They're pretty. Really nice colours. Like those. Hope the colours stay. We've got some nice pigments. Gold, magic yellow, and orange red. Golden yellow. Okay, interesting colours. Yeah. Oh, we've got something else. Ah, right, these, you put these in to hold the different tags that you put on, I believe. What else have we got? Ooh, oh, got some pretty. I love the glitters and what have you, the chunky glitters and that they've been putting in, as well as the fine glitters. These are quite cool. I like those. And then we've got some film. Yeah, it's film. It's not stickers, it's film. That's cool. Yeah, you've got different sized ones, depending on what you want. And then some holiday ones to go in your spare ones that you can do. That's fantastic. Yeah, plenty in that box as usual. Okay, I'll have a go at making this pretty in a minute. Take a picture with. But for now, that will do. Okay, let's have a look at the book and see what this one says. Try and get it to the front, very front page this time. Here we go. Right, here's everything that we get. Yeah, looks like I got everything. Cool. Ooh, diamond dust, okay. Right, now we've got some instructions. Yeah, these are cool. And then it tells you how much to put in, but I think those are absolute exact blimmin' measurements. There's no room for error, so error. So don't spill it anywhere because otherwise you won't have enough. Okay, more instructions, and then December box challenged, and there we go. Yeah, oh, that's good. No spoilers for next month. What time? Yeah, good. I like the fact that there's no spoilers on it. That's quite wicked. Yep, awesome. If you like it, subscribe. And that's everything. But before I go, the next time you decide you don't like the way someone looks, just remember, when you take away all the squishy parts, we're all just skeletons, aren't we? Try being kind. The results might just surprise you. Thanks for watching.